Natural and home remedies for eye problems. Many eye problems require the medical knowledge that an ophthalmologist has from years of clinical and surgical training. But there are eye problems that you can treat safely at home, as long as they are relatively simple. Here are a few problems that can respond to home treatment, with some tips on home remedies. Black eye. Unless there are signs of more serious symptoms of black eye, such as blurred vision, blood in the eye, or inability to move the eye, a black eye can generally be treated at home. To reduce swelling and ease pain the first day, apply an ice pack to the eye for 15 to 20 minutes at a time, once every hour. If you don't have an ice pack, use a bag of frozen vegetables or ice cubes wrapped in cloth. Don't put a raw steak or other raw meat on your eye. Despite what you've seen on television and in the movies, there's no scientific basis for using a raw steak to treat a black eye, and the bacteria in raw meat poses a high risk of infection. Pink eye. Most cases of pink eye are caused by a virus and so don't respond to antibiotics. Viral conjunctivitis will disappear on its own. Have your ophthalmologist diagnose your particular case. You can minimize the discomfort of conjunctivitis by applying cool compresses to the eye. If the conjunctivitis is caused by bacteria, make sure that you follow your treatment plan, which usually involves antibiotic eye drops. In either case, you should take steps to reduce the chance of passing the problem on to someone else, because conjunctivitis is highly contagious. Don't share towels, handkerchiefs or cosmetics, change pillowcases frequently, and wash your hands often. Eye allergies. Just as you can get nasal allergies, you can get eye allergies that leave your eye red, itchy and teary. Limiting your exposure to the source of your allergy, whether it's pollen, pets or mold, can help relieve symptoms. If you can't eliminate the source entirely, there are ways to minimize its effect with eye allergy treatments. For example, if pollen bothers you, don't use a window fan, which can draw pollen into your house. Wear sunglasses when you go outside. If dust is the problem, use allergen-reducing covers for your bed. You can also use artificial tears, which temporarily wash allergens from your eyes, or over-the-counter anti-allergy eye drops to lessen the symptoms. Home remedies. An eye problem is a very common problem. The problem worsens in a high-polluted environment or during allergy season. As the name suggests, eye problem means an unpleasant itchy sensation in and around the eyes. The problem can be recurring for those who frequently touch or rub their eyes. For instant relief, you can try some easy-to-follow natural treatments. Many of these remedies use readily available ingredients from your kitchen. However, in case the problem is severe or caused by an underlying condition, then do consult your eye care professional. Health experts suggest finding out the cause of eye problem before looking for the solution. Cold compress. Applying cold compresses around the affected eye area can help you to get instant relief. The simplest way to do this is to soak a cloth in ice-cold water and place it over your eyes. Do this several times a day. Chamomile tea bags used as cold compresses can also help relieve itching eyes. Put used chamomile tea bags in the refrigerator for half an hour. Place the chilled tea bags over the affected eyes for at least 10 minutes. Do this 3 to 4 times a day for fast recovery. Cucumber. Cucumbers have anti-irritation properties that help in reducing inflammation, puffiness, swelling and irritation, contributing to eye problem. Thoroughly wash a cucumber and cut it into thin slices. Refrigerate the slices for 15 to 20 minutes, and then put them over your eyes for at least 10 minutes. Repeat the process 4 to 5 times a day. Cold milk. Milk is also one of the popular home remedies for eye problem. Dab a cotton ball in cold milk and rub it around the eyes. You can also place a cotton ball soaked in milk on the eyes as a compress for an instant cooling effect. Do this twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. Rosewater. Pure rosewater is one of the most effective home remedies for eye problem. It is soothing and cooling for the eyes and helps clear them. It can be used in a couple of ways. Rinse your eyes with rose water at least twice a day. You can also use rose water as eye drops for instant relief. Put 3 drops of rose water into the inflamed eye. Water and salt. Water and salt are easily available and helpful in treating painful and eye problem. When used as an eye rinse, the combination is good for irritated and inflamed eyes and helps wash away the debris collected in the eyes. Plus, salt being an antibacterial agent kills bacteria. Make a natural eye wash by mixing a cup of distilled water with 1 teaspoon of salt. Boil the solution until the salt dissolves completely. Allow the solution to cool and then use it to flush the eyes. Repeat several times a day for 2 to 3 days. Green tea. Green tea has many health benefits, including providing relief from eye problem. It soothes the eyes and has anti-inflammatory benefits. Make an eye wash by boiling 2 green tea bags in 1 cup of distilled water. Allow it to cool completely. Flush the eyes twice a day with the solution until your symptoms subside. Aloe vera. Owing to its soothing and moisturizing properties, aloe vera is another effective home remedy for dry, sore, and eye problem. Mix aloe vera gel extracted from an aloe leaf with 1 teaspoon of honey and 1/2 cup of elderberry blossom tea. Rinse your eyes with the solution at least twice a day until the problem is solved. Alternatively, you can simply use aloe vera juice as an eye wash. Raw potatoes. Raw potatoes can bring quick relief from eye problem due to their astringent properties. Thus, they help relieve redness and inflammation. Cut a raw potato into thin slices and keep them in the refrigerator for several minutes. Put the chilled slices over your eyes for 15 to 20 minutes. Do this daily for 2 or 3 days, at night before going to sleep. Fenugreek. According to Ayurveda, fenugreek can also bring relief from eye problems. Soak fenugreek seeds in water for 7 to 8 hours and then make a smooth paste out of them. Apply the paste over your eyes and leave it on for 20 minutes. Wash the paste off with cold water. Do this twice daily for best results. Vegetable juices. Juice from raw vegetables, particularly carrots and spinach, can be of great help to treat eye problem. The juices can be used separately or combined together. Simply drink the fresh juice twice daily until you get relief. These natural treatments for eye problem are effective and without side effects. But if you don't get relief, consult an eye specialist.